In today's video, you will see the benefits of watermelon. After all, we already taught you how to choose the best watermelon at the market, how to use its seeds, and the benefits of its rind. Few people know it, but watermelon, besides being super tasty, also has many health benefits. Rich in potassium and magnesium, it is a natural diuretic and can prevent some diseases. Did you know that its red color indicates the presence of lycopene? It is a potent antioxidant that fights free radicals, helping prevent heart diseases and even cancer. A summer's favorite, this fruit is one of the most complete ones for our body. Do you like watermelon? Do you eat it regularly? Increases immunity. Rich in vitamins and minerals such as iron, calcium, phosphorus, sodium, and magnesium. Watermelon prevents many diseases, from respiratory to cardiovascular, and even cancer. It reduces the nutritional deficiencies of the body and strengthens the immune system. Hydrates the body. Made of around 90% water, watermelon helps keep the body hydrated, which in turn helps regulate body temperature, prevents infections, gives nutrients to the cells, and keeps the organs functioning. It also improves the mood and quality of sleep, helps de-bloat. Thanks to its diuretic action, watermelon helps the body fight water retention. Good for the eyes. Watermelon can protect the eyes, preventing diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. It contains antioxidants such as beta-carotene, the precursor of vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Source of energy. With all these nutrients, the experts consider watermelon a source of energy. It is a great post-workout snack to ensure your hydration and energy replenishment. Protects the skin from the sun. Because it is rich in carotenoids such as lycopene, watermelon protects your skin and prevents premature aging. Reduces inflammation. Because of lycopene and vitamin C, watermelon reduces inflammation in the body. In research done with rats, scientists proved that those fed with watermelon presented less inflammation and oxidative stress. Interesting, isn't it? Improves intestinal transit. Because of its high levels of fiber and water, watermelon helps increase the fecal matter and contributes to better intestinal transit. The best way of consuming watermelons to ensure these benefits is to eat the fruit. But you can also make a juice or add the fruit to salads, puddings, smoothies, cakes, jams, ice creams, etc. Even though watermelon has a high glycemic index, GI, its glycemic load, GL, is low. That means its carbs are quickly absorbed by the body, but they are only present in small amounts. Diabetic people can eat watermelons in moderation. If that is your case, it is best to talk to your doctor or nutritionist first.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.